Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. This double deco bracelet is a nod to jewelry from the Art Deco era and showcases the seed bead's ability to make intricately designed shapes. What's fun about the pattern is its ability to be a two-in-one design because the first step makes this beautiful section with its center line of 4mm Bicone crystals. That could be a standalone bracelet, although this pattern is meant to be completed as the final cuff that you see here. Now let's look at all the supplies and begin. You just need a few supplies: size 11 seed beads, size 15 seed beads, 4mm Bicone crystals. You'll need a minimum of 48, maybe up to 56, and a clasp. For this project, I'll be using 6-pound fireline and crystal, along with my favorite size 12 beading needle. We won't need the 15s till later, so we'll move those out of the way. And you're going to start with the size 11 seed beads and the 4mm bicones, along with the clasp. Start with as much thread on your needle as you're comfortable working with. First, we have to learn how to begin the bracelet. We're going to start with the first unit in the end by picking up the bicone and 6 of your seed beads 2 times. Then bring that down near the end of your thread and come back through the first bicone, pulling it together. And let's attach the clasp before we go any further. Picking up 3 seed beads and coming through the clasp, and then 3 more seed beads, come back through the bicone, pulling this together, and of course retracing this section because you want your clasp to be very securely attached. And with the tail, you also want to try to bring that through your beads. I'm going to pull the tail through the beads too. You can attach a needle to it to do this, or just make it go through this little section without the needle. It's up to you if you want to put the needle on and do it. And then I'll just leave my tail here until we're finished. Needle through the bicone and 3 seed beads. Picking up 1 more of your size 11 seed beads and come through the next 3 seed beads, pulling the point right there, and then needle through the bicone, picking up 3 more seed beads, come back through your bicone, and you want these 3 seed beads to sit kind of here in the middle, so just sort of push them over with your finger. Then come through the next 3, pulling that tight, adding 1 more through the next 3, and you can also come through the bicone, adding the point, pick up 1 more seed bead, come through the middle one, and 1 more size 11, back through your bicone. Push that all together, then retrace this path down here to the bicone, coming through the beads, and then down the next 3, come through the bicone and 1 after it. This is where the pattern really takes off and gets repetitive. You pick up 5 of the size 11 seed beads, 1 bicone, and 5 more size 11 seed beads. And then come through the 11, the bicone, and the 11. Needle through 2 more of your size 11s, adding 1, and coming through the 3 11s and your bicone, adding the point, Picking up 3 more 11s, needle back through the bicone, and you can come into the 11 after it. And again, you want these to sit in the middle. Coming through 2 more 11s here. So you're exiting the third one past the bicone, adding 1 more 11. You'll come down these 3 11s and the bicone. Picking up 1 11, needling through this middle seed bead here, 1 more 11, and needling back through the bicone. And that pulls this little group here in the middle. Now we need to retrace up here 1 seed bead past the bicone. And you can exit 1 seed bead past the bicone. 5 seed beads, the bicone, and 5 more seed beads. Come through the seed bead, the bicone, and the seed bead after it. And pull those into a loop. I'll just turn it in my hand. So my thread is exiting out the right side. Come through 2 more seed beads. Adding 1 more. And coming through the next 3 seed beads in the bicone. Pulling that point right there. Adding 3 more seed beads, coming back through the bicone, and then you can come into the seed beads after it. And again, you want these to sit on the inside. Make sure you're exiting the 3rd seed bead past the bicone, picking up 1 more. Going down through these 3 seed beads plus your bicone, picking up 1 more seed bead, coming through the middle one, one more seed bead, coming back through the bicone, making this little sort of X shape here in the middle, and then needling around until you're exiting the size 11 past your bicone. Continue working on the length of your bracelet until you have enough to go around your wrist. If you're doing this single center section, you can have as many bicones as you need, but if you're going to make the whole bracelet with the edging, you need to have an odd number of bicones. Right now, I'm at 25. You'll need to attach the other end of your clasp, exiting the last bicone. The same as before, I'll be putting 3 seed beads on both sides of the clasp and coming back through the bicone. Retrace this a few times and then needle up to the first point to make the bracelet wider and add the edge. You're going to need 4mm Bicone crystals. This is where you'll use the size 15 seed beads and more size 11 seed beads. And then 1 11, the 4mm Bicone, and 1 more size 11 through the next point. And then switch to your size 15 seed beads using 4 of those. Come through the next point, alternating the pattern all the way down your bracelet. The 4 15s through the point, and then the 11 bicone and 11 through the next point. Continue for the length of your bracelet, After adding the seed beads and bicones on one side, continue needling around through the bicone and seed beads, exiting your point bead here, and just repeat the steps here on this side until you get to the other end, and continue going down the other side of your bracelet. And then after completing this side, we'll needle over here to this bicone, just continuing around through the seed beads before the bicone, and step through the bicone. Pick up 8 more size 15 seed beads and needle through the next bicone. Each time you'll use 8 of the size 15 seed beads and come through the next bicone. Go ahead and repeat that all the way down the length of the bracelet. And after you add all the size 15 seed beads on one edge, come around and add the size 15 seed beads to the other side, and then just weave your tail thread back through your work. So whether you've made this bracelet as a center line of just the crystals or the full cuff, I hope you enjoy it, and as always, have a beautiful day.